Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Today I'm here to share with you a new album. So this is a 3D album that I created with my YouTube members on our live class last Saturday. So it was super fun. We went ahead and created this book from start to finish, and I just finished adding some of the papers on the inside and decorated the cover just a little bit more, but for the most part we did everything in the live class. So if you are part of my YouTube members, I'm gonna have the video below so you can have access to that class, and if not, you can always join and rewatch all the previous live classes as well. But I am excited because Pinocchio is one of my favorite collections to work with. I did a full large album a few years ago, and I came across this collection on a sale that Crafty City had, and I was super excited. So I wanted to create kind of like a school book, a 3D book, and I think these are now super cute. So I'm just gonna do a quick walkthrough. Also, this book is gonna be listed for sale on my website together with some other books that I'm adding there. So I'm gonna have the link to that, and you can explore all the books that I am adding, and they're all gonna be super discounted as well. So let's go ahead and take a look. So as you can see here, I have this house shape, or kind of like a school shape book, and I have the beautiful paper collection of Geppetto making Pinocchio, and then when he is getting the magic from the fairy to turn into a little boy, and then up here when he kind of got into a little bit of trouble following some of his so-called friends. But yeah, so let's go ahead and take a look here. So this book measures 8. This is 8.5 by 11 altogether, and let's take a look inside. So when you open this book here, have little Pinocchio going to the school, place for a picture here maybe, and then this opens up like this. So when you open these pages, I wanted to have some additional room for pictures, so I created some different booklets, accordion folds, and things like that. But also on this other side you have a little space for a picture there as well. So I'm gonna give you the walkthrough of all the pages, and then I'll show you the 3D look of this book. So here on the next page, again, you can add a picture here, but this opens up like that. So super easy little layouts. Here's a little tag from the paper collection, and then this opens here again, place for a picture, and then another booklet here. So this one opens up like this, so quite a lot of room for pictures. This will be a really cute birthday album as well. So that is all this side, and then on the other section here we have again another little pocket up here, and then this opens up, place for pictures. Same with this one, another little tag from the collection. Here's Pinocchio with the long nose. And then that goes in here, and then this one opens to the side, and then you can also put a picture here. And then on the next page we have a really cute pull down waterfall, so it opens up like that. You can add I think 2 by 3 pictures in here, maybe a little bigger than that, but yeah, so that goes right here, and then here's Pinocchio and place for picture there as well. I really like this background page here. I just love the vintage look of it, but it's still very beautiful and magical. Then here on this page we have just a little Geppetto image, and you can glue that, or you can just kind of have it floating in there and put a picture on the back. And then here's again the fairy, and this is another little booklet where you can put 4 by 6 pictures there as well. So that is that page. And then to display this book, you can go ahead and open the sides, and then you can display these kind of like a circus. And this book was inspired by my Greatest Showman circus album, because I just love the 3D look of it. So if you are on displaying this on a shelf, on a coffee table, I think it looks really nice. You can go ahead and see this from every angle. Oh, and I didn't show you the back. The back is also here. You can add a couple pictures. But yeah, so that is gonna be this 3D Pinocchio book. And then to close it, you just lay the pages flat, and then this magnetizes here on the side. And I made these belts expandable, so you can the book can grow here after you add your pictures there as well, but it will also again be able to be displayed as the 3D version here as well. So yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoy the walkthrough. I hope that you're inspired by this super easy project to create. I love how this turned out, and again, this will be for sale on the website. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.